Marley Caden helping us pick it apart each day. Let's trade it now with Tim Bigham, options strategist, Pilot AI. How are you approaching your example trade for IBM?
Yes, Sam, and it certainly is an alphabet soup of, kind of who's next as this kind of circular kind of relationship continues in the AI space. So I'm just really, looking to be a seller on a further rally on IBM. Certainly the stock on a valuation basis getting to the highest valuations we have seen ever in IBM. We're looking at a PE approaching almost 50 times. Price to sales now well over 4 times. Last time it was up here was June of this year, right before that big sell-off. So as the stock approaches 300, I'm just going out all the way till January of next year, selling the 350, 355 call spread, bringing in about 70 cents. I just kind of like to give myself plenty of cushion here, have over 15% upside cushion, like that risk return of about 16% return on risk, risking 430 to make 70 bucks here. I don't even know how high these AIs will fly here, but at some point I think valuations actually do matter. For the time being, it seems like everyone's shrugging it off. So I'm willing to be a seller, but not now. Certainly not willing to be a buyer yet either. So I'm just guardedly bearish, but waiting for the market to maybe tell when it is time to jump in with a more aggressive position. If not getting paid to be a seller on a further 15% rally in IBM, which is overvalued in my opinion right now.
Okay, that certainly has been part of the conversation right now with some of these valuations. Just want to get your sort of overall take on the market action today. It looks like we've lost a little bit of altitude over the course of the last hour or so. We've got a pretty flat reading across all the major indices right now. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I think we'll kind of continue to see that. I used to say, big range, no change. Now it's small range, no change. We really haven't seen any big up or down days really over the past 3 or 4 months here. That 20-day moving average on the S&P 500, the SPX index, just seems to be kind of an area where every time it dips down there, you see buyers come in, they take it a little higher, then they sell off a little. So I think we'll continue to see this. It's fueled by those AI stocks, certainly the top 10 stocks in the S&P, now approaching almost a 40% combined weighting, by far the highest ever there too. So we'll see how high AI can fly, but for the time being, I think we're finally getting a little tempering of that big momentum rally, and I think we'll continue to see that into year end. Might have that pullback, but I don't think we'll be ripping, to fresh new highs anytime soon either.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tim Bigham. Appreciate your analysis as always. We'll see you in